Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Gladiator Mojave and Mojave X. Both are formidable desert-rated trucks, specifically built for high-speed off-road adventures. We will explore their unique features, performance capabilities, and interior comforts to help you decide which one best suits your adventurous lifestyle. Understanding their distinctions is key to choosing your perfect off-road companion, ensuring you get the right level of ruggedness and refinement for your journeys. The standard Jeep Gladiator Mojave is engineered for high-speed desert running, offering impressive capability. It boasts specialized FOX 2.5-inch internal bypass shocks and hydraulic jounce stops for superior control over rough terrain. With 11.6 inches of ground clearance, it confidently tackles challenging obstacles. This model rides on 33-inch Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires and is powered by a 285 horsepower, 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine. The Mojave X elevates the standard Mojave with several premium enhancements. It includes robust steel, winch-capable front and rear bumpers, plus full-length steel rock rails for added protection. You also get a convenient forward-facing trail camera and a full-time Selec-Track four-wheel drive system. Inside, enjoy a leather-trimmed interior, a body-colored hardtop, and an upgraded 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 navigation infotainment system, along with heated front seats and steering wheel. Deciding between the Mojave and Mojave X depends on your priorities. The Mojave offers exceptional desert performance and value for enthusiasts focused on core off-road capability. The Mojave X, however, provides superior protection, advanced technology, and luxurious interior upgrades for an additional cost of approximately $10,000. Both are outstanding desert-rated trucks, so choose the one that best aligns with your adventure style and desired level of comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.